Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous brand of Italian cars, supercars, hypercars, sports cars, GT cars, you name them. But how would you go about pronouncing this with la typical Italian pronunciation? Of course, you can always say Ferrari. And why would you say it any differently? But how would you say it with a true Italian pronunciation, the way Enzo himself would have been proud of you saying his own name? Not just Enzo Ferrari. You have to give it a little bit more of yourself, a little bit more life to it, just like the engine of a Ferrari. It does not just go unnoticed and boring like the way you've always said the name of these cars. You have to say FeRRAree. You do want to insist on the double R because it matters in Italian. Ferrari, per favore. Io voglio una Ferrari. If you cannot trill the R, at least say Ferrari. Ferrari. Give it of yourself with your life. Ferrari, Ferrari, per favore. Here is a video about how to pronounce the name Lamborghini properly as well. Similar story. I'll leave you to it and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. FeRRAree. Don't forget, FeRRAree. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.